Depletion of watershed areas in the municipal area of Changanasheri in Kottayam District is a threat to water birds. Yes. My project is of depletion of watershed areas, how affect the water birds. As a result of our project, we feel that the filling up of paddy fields for many purposes by man is the main threat to these water birds. They lost their habitat. The trees are cut down by man for various activities. That the trees the trees that they make nest is cut down. So they lost habitat. Then the another problem for this affected by these water birds is the water pollution. Another one is the large amount of chemical pesticides and fertilizers in fields cause the water pollution, and thus losses the amount of their food. That all the problems causes these water birds. Then we found that the birds that are bronze-winged jacana, little grub, Indian moorhen, purple moorhen, then darter or snake bird. These are the birds that is so familiar, so popular in the watershed areas of Changanasheri before many years. But as the observation done by us, we don't see anyone among these. We observe carefully and search for these birds, but we can't see it. So as in future, the birds now see will also be disappear from these municipal watershed areas of Changanasheri. Students of our school is from the areas of our studied area. Then they live inside of these watershed areas that we taken to comparative study. Then we do the solutions we do the solution for this depletion of watershed areas, that will become more merit to them, so they will also be with us. So as a teamwork or the union, we will do many solution programs.